Hello kids, good morning to all. In the last class, we understood about the objects which are round in shape and the objects which are long in shape. So today, we will continue with the chapter 1 of maths, and the chapter name is What is long and what is round. So students, today we will continue with the part 2. So today we will understand about some of the shapes which can roll, which can slide and which can stick. So let us see some of the examples. Students, identify this shape. Yes, this shape is circle. So students, identify this shape. This is triangle. Let's see the next one. So this is a square. The next is rectangle. This one is, identify this. Yes, it looks like a cone. So this is a cone shape. Yes, identify this shape. This shape is known as cylinder. Students, we saw 6 different types of shapes. So now we will continue whether these shapes can roll, slide or stick. Now we will understood which of these shapes can roll, slide and stick. So first of all, what do you mean by roll? Roll means घूम सकते हैं. Slide means फिसलना. And stick means जिसका आप पाइल बना सको. Pile means ढेर. So the first shape is square. Yes, a square cannot roll. Square के जो objects होते हैं वो roll नहीं हो सकते. They can either slide or stick. The next is rectangle. Yes, the rectangle objects cannot roll. Rectangle objects घूम नहीं सकते. Either they can slide, फिसल सकते हैं या फिर stick होते हैं. इनका ढेर बनता है. The third one is circle. Yes, the circle objects can roll, but they cannot slide or stick. So students, the fourth shape is of cone. Cone shaped objects can slide and roll, but they can't be sticked. जो cone shape के objects होते हैं उनका ढेर नहीं बनता, but they can roll, घूम सकते हैं और slide कर सकते हैं. So the next is cylinder shape. So cylinder shaped objects can do all the things. They can roll, slide and stick. The last one is triangle. The last shape is triangle. Triangle shaped objects cannot roll. They can only slide and they cannot be stick. Stick means triangle objects का ढेर नहीं बन सकता. So students, now we will start our exercise part. So now students, take out page number 8 in your workbook of chapter 1. This is question 3. Now in this exercise, what we have to do? Let's see. Put circle for rolling objects, cross for sliding objects and right for both rolling as well as sliding objects in the given box. So students, yes, you can see. So students, now here in this exercise, we have to identify each and every picture. In this pictures, objects are given which can roll and which can slide and which can do both the things. Both the things means roll भी कर सकते हैं and slide भी कर सकते हैं. As you can see, 3 examples are given. Let's see the first one. Yes, pencil. Pencil is a cylindrical shape. So it can roll also and it can slide also. The next is tiffin box. Yes, the tiffin box is rectangle in shape. So it can only slide. So students, we have seen the 3 examples. Now be ready with your pencil and rubber. Now we will start this exercise. Okay, so the fourth picture is of a water bottle. Water bottle का shape कौन सा है? Cylinder shape है. So a cylinder shape can roll and slide. So we have to make a tick mark in that box. Why tick mark? Why we have done this tick mark? Because this water bottle can roll and it can slide also. Yes. The fifth picture is of a tomato. Tomato is a round object, है ना? Circle object है. So it can only roll. So in that box, make a small circle. So the sixth picture is of jamun. Jamun एक fruit है. It is round in shape. So it can only roll. It cannot slide. So in that box, make a small circle there. Yes, the next one is a picture of ball. A ball is round in shape. So it can only roll. So make a small circle in the box. The next picture is of spoon. Spoon का कैसा shape है? Long shape है, right? So it can only slide. It cannot be rolled. The next is duster. Duster is rectangular in shape. So it can slide. वो रोल नहीं हो सकता. The next picture is of orange. Orange is round in shape, so it can only roll. So in that small box, make a round there. Yes, the next is identify the next picture. Yes, a cell phone. Mobile phone है वो. So mobile phone rectangular shape का है. So it can slide. It cannot roll. So in that small box, make a cross there. Yes, the next picture is of a cube. है ना? This cube is used in our Ludo game, right? So it is square shape. So it cannot be rolled. It can only slide. The next picture is of a plate. This plate can only slide. It cannot be rolled. The next picture is of cylinder. Yes, cylinder shape के जो objects होते हैं, they can roll also and they can slide also. The last picture is of a bat. Bat एक long shaped का है, right? So it cannot be rolled. वो सिर्फ क्या हो सकता है? Slide हो सकता है. Okay, students. So students, now let us just revise this once again. A water bottle and a cylinder. These both objects are cylindrical shape. So वो roll भी होते हैं and slide भी होते हैं. So in that small box of these two objects, make a tick mark. Now we will discuss about the rolling objects. Tomato, jamun fruit, a ball, orange. Okay, so these objects can roll only. So in that small box, make a small circle there. Now spoon, duster, mobile phone, square, dish and bat. These objects can slide only. ये roll भी नहीं हो सकते. Okay, so in that small box, make a cross there. So students, in this exercise, we have seen the objects which can roll and which can slide and which can do both the things. So a water bottle, cylinder and a pencil. Only these shapes can do both the things. They can roll also and they can slide also. So students, in most of the cases, cylinder shaped objects can do both the things. Roll भी होते हैं and they can slide also. Okay students, now we will continue with the question number 4. So students, now take out page number 9 in your workbook. Question 4. Put tick mark for the objects which can be staked and cross for the objects which cannot be staked in the given box. So students, now in this exercise, different objects are given, है ना? Different objects given मतलब यहाँ उनके pictures दिए गए हैं. So we have to tick mark on the objects which can be staked. Staked means जिनका हम ढेर बना सकते हैं. And we have to put a cross on the objects which cannot be staked. Okay, so first two examples are given to you. The first object is matchbox. Matchbox का हम ढेर बना सकते हैं, right? So it is already done. Tick mark किया हुआ है वहाँ पे already. So the next picture is strawberry. Strawberry. Okay. So a strawberry cannot be staked. उसका हम ढेर नहीं बना सकते. So it is already crossed there. Now we will continue with the third. The third object is ruler. Yes, a ruler is rectangular in shape. So rectangular shape objects can be stacked. Okay, so put a tick mark in that small box. The fourth picture is of a postcard. Yes, postcard are rectangular in shape. So rectangular shaped objects can be stacked. Stacked means उनका हम ढेर बना सकते हैं. ढेर means एक के ऊपर एक हम रख सकते हैं. So postcards को हम एक के ऊपर एक रख के उसका stack बना सकते हैं. Okay, so in that box put a tick mark there. Yes, the fifth picture is of a ring. So ring is a round object. Round objects cannot be stacked. Next is a stone. Yes, a stone is uneven shape. Okay, but they can be stacked. है ना, पत्थरों का ढेर बनाया जा सकता है. So in that box put a tick mark there. The next is mobile phone. Yes, a mobile phone is rectangular in shape. So we have seen earlier that rectangular shape objects can be stacked. उनका ढेर बनाया जा सकता है. So in that box put a tick mark there. The next picture is of a pear fruit. Okay, so a pear fruit, as you can see, it is mostly round in shape. So round shape objects cannot be stacked. Okay, so in that box put a cross there. Yes, the next object is a note, a 5 rupee note. A specimen of 5 rupee note is given there. So हम इन नोट की ढेर बना सकते हैं. So in that box put a tick mark there. The next picture is of a chiku. A chiku is round in shape. So round objects cannot be stacked. Round objects का ढेर नहीं बन सकता. So put a cross there. Now the next one is coin. A coin is round in shape but it has a flat surface. Coin का हम ढेर बना सकते हैं. So in that small box put a tick mark there. So the next one is a bottle of a powder. So as you can see, the shape of this bottle of powder is cylindrical. So cylindrical shape objects can be stacked. The next is a ball. A ball is round in shape. So it cannot be stacked. So in the small box put a cross there. The next one is the brick. Okay, so brick का हम ढेर बना सकते हैं. So in the box put a tick mark there. The last object is marble. Marble is round in shape and this round object shape cannot be stacked. So in the small box put a cross there. So students, let us revise this question once again. Okay, so ruler, postcard, stone, mobile phone, 5 rupee note specimen, coin, bottle of powder and brick. These all objects can be stacked. So in the box put a tick mark there. And ring, pear fruit, chiku fruit, ball and marble. These objects cannot be stacked. Okay, so in the small box put a cross there. So students, here we have completed question number 4. Now we will move further with our homework part. Take out page number 13 in your workbook. So this question number 2 is your homework. Now what we have to do in this question? See, different objects are given and we have to put a tick mark on the things which can roll, slide and stack. So the first two we will understand. Okay, and the rest of the objects you have to complete it in your homework. Okay, so put tick mark for the objects which can roll, slide or be stacked, and cross for the objects which cannot roll, slide or be stacked in the given box. So students, the first object is tire. A tire can roll and stack. It cannot slide. So the next object, दूसरा object कौन सा है? Yes, ये object है doll. So a doll is cylindrical in shape. So cylindrical shape objects can roll, slide and stack. So in all the three boxes, put a tick mark. So now students, the rest of the objects you have to identify. Okay. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to identify whether these objects can roll, slide or stack. So this page is your homework. And here we have completed our chapter 1, what is long, what is round of workbook. Okay. You have to complete this homework in the workbook only.